Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss a rectangular coordinate system which is used to describe a function graphically. A graph presents the picture of relationship between two or more sets of data or variables that are related to one another. Graph is most commonly used tool in economics depicting the functional relationship between two or more economic variables. The use of graph provides a better understanding of economic generalization. Graph presents a visual picture of an abstract idea, and also it is useful for accuracy and precision. A graph consists of an x-axis on horizontal axis and y-axis that is vertical axis, and a particular point on a graph is identified by its coordinates x and y. Consider the two straight lines shown in the figure. The horizontal line is referred to as x-axis placing the independent variables, and vertical line is referred to as y-axis placing the dependent variable. The point where these lines intersect is known as origin and is denoted by the letter O, and which is partitioned the plane into four distinct regions called quadrants. These lines enable us to identify uniquely any point in terms of its coordinates x and y. The first number is the x denotes the horizontal distance along the x-axis, and the second number y denotes the vertical distance along the y-axis. Every point in the plane can be represented by an ordered pair x and y, where the first value is the x coordinate indicating its horizontal position relative to its origin, and the second value is the y coordinate indicating its vertical position relative to the origin. Thus, for example, the point P, that is 2, 5, is the 2 unit to the right of and the 5 unit up from the origin. That is the red plot here by an ordered pair 2 and 5 by using x and y coordinates. So here x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 5. The arrow on the axis indicates the direction in the each cases. As we are already said that the point where these lines are intersect is known as the origin and is denoted by the letter O, and which partition the plane into four distinct regions called quadrant. So there are four quadrants in the rectangular coordinate system. The first quadrant is the upper right section between x and y axis, where the sign of both variables and both coordinates x and y, that is positive. So this is the area. Then the quadrant second is the upper left section between x and y axis, but where the sign of variable x is negative and the sign of variable y or coordinate y is positive. Similarly, the quadrant 3 is the lower left section between x and y axis, where the sign of both coordinates are negative. So that is negative value of x and negative value of y. Similarly, the last one, that is quadrant 4, is the lower right section between x and y axis, where the sign of the variable x is positive, however the sign of variable y is negative. Now the point 4, 5, here it is showing that is the 4 unit to the right of and 5 unit up from the origin. So both are positive coordinates, so this is the position here. For example, the coordinates -2, 2. So in this case, the value of or coordinate x is minus and the coordinate y is +2. So this is this point here, it is -2 and +2. Similarly, we can plot some other coordinates of x and y. Now we can have an example, that is plot the following points. Points are A, 2, 3, point B, -1, 4, point C minus 3 minus 1, point D 3 2 and point E 5 0. So we want to plot these points. For example, the first point, point A, that is 2 and 3. So here plot the point that is 2 unit to the right of and 3 unit up from the origin, that is this is the point A, that is 2 3. Similarly, we have a point 2 that is minus 1 and 4. So here we have minus 1, that is minus 1 unit to the left of and 4 unit up from the origin, that is this is the point B, and the third point, that is C, minus 3 minus 1, both are negative sign. So we have minus 3 unit to the left of and minus 1 unit down from the origin, that is the point C here. Similarly, we have the point D, 3 and 2, minus 2. So here 3 unit to the right of and minus 2 unit down from the origin, that is the point D here. And finally we have the point E, that is 5 0, that is 5 unit to the right of on the x-axis and the 0 unit up from, or it is in origin of y, that is value of 0. So this is the point E. So point E is the coordinates 5 and 0. I hope you are clear about the rectangular coordinate system and graphing. In the next video, we will discuss the graphing of mathematical equation, especially the linear equation. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Thank you.